Hi little kids, today I will learn you how to write ABC. Before writing ABC, you need to know about the line's name. There are different types of lines. This is standing line. This is sleeping line. This is slanting line. This is left side slanting line. This is right side slanting line. This is curve. And this is circle. So let's write ABC. First a slanting line, another slanting line and a sleeping line. And this is A standing line, a small curve and then another curve, and this is B. Write a left side big curve and this is C. One standing line and a curve, and this is D. One standing line and three sleeping line, and this is E. Write one standing line and two sleeping lines, and this is F. Write a big curve and then a small sleeping line and a small standing line, and this is Z. One standing line, another standing line, and join this with a sleeping line, and this is H. One standing line and two sleeping line, and this is I. Write a sleeping line and then standing line, and the bottom shape is curve, and this is J. One standing line, a slanting line, another slanting line, and this is K. One standing line and a sleeping line, and this is L. Standing line, a small slanting line, another small slanting line and a standing line, and this is M. Write a standing line and a slanting line, another standing line, and this is N. Draw a big circle, and this is O. One standing line and a small curve shape, and this is P. One big circle and then draw like me, and this is Q. One standing line, small curve and then a slanting line, and this is R. Draw a small curve and turn it to the bottom, another small curve, and this is S. One sleeping line and a standing line, and this is T. Make a curve like me, and this is U. Draw a slanting line and then another slanting line, and this is V. Draw slanting line like me, and this is W. It's also called zigzag line. Draw a left side slanting line and a right side slanting line over it, and this is X. Draw a small slanting line, another slanting line and a standing line, and this is Y. One sleeping line, one slanting line, another sleeping line, and this is Z. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little friends.